Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Shadow Phantom. This is the blacked out version with the short fenders, super cool. It's got the flat handlebars, 750 cc's of V-twin power, fuel injection, liquid cooling, and shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. This is that really cool matte black paint finish. Only 4,700 miles on this awesome Phantom. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Come on by, check it out, only $69.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.